Hi. Now, let's learn some colors. Black, yellow, orange, pink, emerald, green, sky blue, purple, red, and brown. Let's learn to draw some shapes. Heptagon, circle, hexagon, octagon, ellipse, rhombus, green, brown, lavender, red, emerald,
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
blue,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
heptagon,
H, I, J,
circle,
K, L, M, N, O, P,
hexagon,
Q, R,
octagon,
S, T, U,
ellipse,
V, W,
rhombus.
X, Y, and Z.
Please like, share, and subscribe.